Next, we're going to practice reading and writing our kindergarten red words. These are the words that we cannot use the sounds in the word to tap it out and then blend it together to make the word. We just have to remember what the word looks like, so then we can get quicker when we're reading and writing those words. We're going to start just by going through all of our kindergarten red words. You're going to tell me the word, we'll arm tap it, and then we will work a little bit more on our 2 special red words we've been working on this week. I'm going to be using my dry erase board and a marker today, but you could use a piece of paper and anything at home you have to write with. I'm using my red marker because they're red words, but if you don't have a red marker or a crayon, that's okay. Use whatever you have at home. Go ahead and shout it out. What's the word? See. Arm tap it with me. S-E-E-C. Next word. I. Arm tap it. I. A. A. Ooh, one of our new ones. My. Good. Arm tap it. M. Y. My. And our other new word, said. Arm tap it. S-A-I-D, said. Can. Here we go. C-A-N, can. Like. Let's hear it. L-I-K-E, like. To. Tap it. T-O-2. Me. Arm tap. M-E, me. And our last word, we. Arm tap. W-E, we. Nice job. Now we're going to focus a little bit more on the red words that we're learning this week. So let's start with this red word. Go ahead and say it. What's that word? Said. Said means that you were speaking, but not today. You were speaking in the past. So yesterday you said we could go to the park. Not today, but yesterday. So said means in the past. We're going to use our note card to slide. And as I show you a letter, you're going to say the letter's name, and then I'll cover it back up, and you'll tell me the word. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. S, A, I, D, said. Again. S, A, I, D, said. Try it all by yourself. Said. What's the first letter in the word said? S. I'm going to build it. And what do I need after S? A. Then what letter? I. And I need one more. What's the last letter? D. Said has 4 letters. S-A-I-D, said. I'm going to mix up those letters, and then you're going to help me put them back in the right order. But I'm going to flip over our card, so we have to try to remember what it looked like. Okay. Got them mixed up, and you are going to help me fix them. Okay. Does that look right? No. What's the first letter that I need? S. And what comes after S? S, A. S, A, I. And the last letter? D. Said. Let's write it 3 times. You can use a pencil, marker, crayon, whatever you have. Remember to say the letter names as you write them. That really helps stick it in our brain. 1, 2, 3. S A I D said. S A I D said. One last time. S A I D said. We wrote the word said 3 times. Let's do Red Word of the Day song with this word. There was a red word of the day, and said was our red word. S-A-I-D said. S-A-I-D said. S-A-I-D said. And said was our red word. Nice work. I'm going to erase. And let's look at the other red word we have been learning this week. This is the word. Go ahead and say it. My. My is a shorter red word. It only has 2 letters. M-Y, my. My means that something belongs to you. So it's not your candy bar, it's my candy bar. So you're talking about yourself. Let's put the card on top. I'm going to slide it. We'll say the letters and then we'll say the word. 1, 2, 3. M, Y, my. Try it again. M, Y, my. Try it by yourself. Nice work. Let's build the word my. What's the first letter that I need? M. And what's the second letter? Y. Just 2 letters in that word. M, Y, my. I'm going to flip the card over. We'll mix them up a little bit, and then you can help me fix it. Okay, does that look like the word my? No, you're right. What letter should be first? M. And then what letter? Y. Good. M, Y, my. Let's write the word 3 times. Say the letters as you write them. 1, 2, 3. M, Y, my. Again. M, Y, my. Last time. M, Y, my. Let's do our red word of the day song with the word my. There was a red word of the day, and my was our red word. Tap it, M-Y, my. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. And my was our red word. Nice job. Today we practiced reading and writing the red words my and said.